Radha is Radha Ras and Sham Ras become Radha Sham Ras. That's at the Sangam. Shamakund is Krishna's heart, Sham's heart. Radhakund is Radharani's heart. And when they meet at the Sangam, then they melt together and become this beautiful Prem Ras, Shringar Ras. Nirmal Vishuddha Madhurya Ras. So this is the heart of Radharani. But right in the center of our heart, Radharani's heart is Radhakund, and right in the center of the heart is Ananga Mandri's Kunj, the Kunj of Radharani's younger sister. That's how much gratitude she has and how much respect and love she has for her younger sister. I'm going to place you in the middle of my heart, and who's in the middle of my heart? Shama Sundar. So in effect, what I'm doing for my little sister, I'm placing you in the middle of my heart with the center of my heart, who is Krishna, so you and Krishna can enjoy in the center of my heart, which is Radhakund, and the center of Radhakund is the Kunja Ananga Mandri. So these esoterica is described in Ananga Mandri Sarupa, Ananga Mandri Nirupan by Ramchandra Gosai. It's in English, of the intimate role that Nanga Mantri plays in Krishna's life and her relationship with Radharani. So I just touched the surface. You can read more.